All right, guys, we're in the Tesla. We're in Southern California right now, and I'm headed to the Tesla Diner Supercharger station. So it's a diner supercharger. I've never been there. I know this isn't breaking news. It's been out for, open for probably 7 or 8 months now. But this is the first time I've been in Southern California with my Tesla, so I'm going to go by there and check it out. We're about 2 miles away. The cool thing is once you start navigating, so you just type in your navigation, Tesla Diner, and it'll navigate you there, and then this little hamburger icon on the screen shows up, and you kind of shows you the menu. So it has all kinds of things on the menu. You can do this from wherever you're at and try to navigate there, and it'll show you the menu. Got a lot of different food items, drinks. It even has different specific merchandise like shirts and hats that are available only at the diner. At the entrances to the Tesla Diner parking lot, there's employees, almost like security guards, because parking is for electric cars only. Not just for Teslas, all electric cars can come in and charge, but it doesn't look like gas cars are allowed to come in and park. There's no regular parking spots. Every parking spot has a supercharger at it. So if you have a gas car, you want to park somewhere else, walk to the diner. These are all V4 chargers. It has the Magic Dock, which has the CCS plug attached to it that can pull out for non-Teslas. This is the other parking area, like an overflow parking area, with lots of charging spots and solar canopy for shade. There's also a free tire inflation pump to help keep your tires at the proper PSI. There are 2 large movie screens. Both are playing the same movie. When you're sitting in the diner or up on the upper deck, you're able to hear the movie. You can also listen to it while sitting in your car. Now, walking into the diner, you can place your order from the touch screens inside, or you can place your order while you're charging inside of your car. There's a wide variety of food and beverage options. Once your order is placed, you are then sent a text message when it's ready, and you walk up to the counter to order pickup, and you pick up your order. Inside of the diner, it has a retro diner feel to it. It's very nice, very modern. It's well lit. It's very clean. It has a lot of different seating options with tables and booths, and it has various Tesla decorations to look at. In this area, there's a water station. You can get cups of water. Through this hallway here, you can go up the stairway to the observation deck. There's also up this area, there's different showcases of the Optimus robot, like kind of the first prototype and first and second generations of that. There's the elevator to get up there, and then the spiral staircase here. There's these 3D printed Cybertrucks over the wall here, and the restrooms are extremely nice, kind of have a spaceship feel to them. They were very clean. And then here's the staircase that goes up to the observation deck to the second floor, and there's more Optimus robots along these walls as well. When we get up to the second floor here, this is the Optimus second generation robot, and then we can walk out onto the rooftop deck area, which is a nice outdoor seating area. Lots of different spaces. Depending on the time of day, it can be shaded or in the sun. There's also restrooms up here. There's a few tables that do have some umbrellas. You can see the movie screens from up here, and surprisingly are pretty bright with them being in full sunlight. There are some speakers there where you can hear the movie. There's kind of an area here where they serve popcorn. Optimus has been up there. That's only during special occasions though. They also have kind of their merchandise shop here as well. So if you want to buy any of these exclusive merchandise items, shirts, hats, hoodies, cups. We came during lunch and tried the Tesla Giga Burger and the Falcon Wing fried chicken sandwich. Both were very good, really good flavor, and they come in these really cool Cybertruck shaped boxes. We were at the diner for about 40 minutes to charge from 20% to 95%. Now, that's enough time to eat, to use the restroom, explore around. We weren't told if there were going to be idle fees, if we would have gotten to 100% charge. It wasn't that busy, so I'm sure we could have stayed longer and stayed plugged in and been fine. All right, guys, just finished up charging here at the Tesla Diner. This is probably the coolest supercharger that Tesla's has. Definitely the coolest one I've ever been to. Great food, great location. The charging 80 charging stalls, pretty cool. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, see you in the next one.